Hello everybody. This video is going to be on squaring numbers, and the key to understanding how to square numbers quickly is to understand the idea of a duplex. If you understand the idea of a duplex, you can square a 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, any number of digit number. So this may seem complicated, but I'm going to break it down. It's going to make sense, okay? So this represents a duplex of a 1-digit number, like 1. This represents a duplex of a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number. So how the heck are we getting this? Well, there's a pattern to all this. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-digit number. That's what it stands for. So here's how the pattern works. You start at the outside. This times this doubled is this, right? 2AF. And then I work my way in. I go 1 to the left here and 1 to the contrary motion. Think of it that way, okay? Because left and right depends on where you're standing. So 2AF, check, plus 2BE, check, plus 2CD. There you go. That's it. So what happens if there's an odd digit, we have a C right here, but what happens if there's an odd digit in the middle? Well, so I follow the pattern. The duplex of a 5-digit number is 2AE plus 2BD. If I have a lone guy in the middle, it's C squared. It's the middle thing squared. That's it. Let's go up. 2AD plus 2BC, and so on and so forth. 2AC, so I see one in the middle, so it has to be plus the square of that. Okay? And here we have only 1 here and 1 here, so it's twice that, nothing in the middle. And here we only have something in the middle, so we square it. So that's all the pattern is. You go, this gets taken twice, this gets taken twice, this gets taken twice. Twice, twice, square. Twice, 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 square, twice. So it's that simple, okay? So to square a number, you take the duplexes in order starting from the left. So let's do example 1. What is, obviously, let's start with a silly example that's kind of really obvious. So, you don't really need a duplex to do this, but following the rule, what's the duplex of a 1-digit number? It's just its square, so I just get 64 in. We already know that, okay? Let's jump to a 2-digit number and see what I mean by go in order starting from the left. So, let's say I want to say what 42 squared is. So what I mean by find the duplexes from left to right is I need to find the duplex of 4. I need to find the duplex of 42. And then I need to find the duplex of just 2. Okay, so as you can see, it has a 1, 2, 1 pattern. We start here, we go here, then we go here. So the duplex of a 1-digit number is just its square, so I'm going to say 16. The duplex of a 2-digit number is this times this doubled, so 4 times 2 is 8, doubled is 16. And the duplex of a single-digit number is just its square, 2 squared is 4. So if you've seen my other videos, you know what we do here. We keep the units digit, carry the tens digit. I'm going to keep a 6, carry the 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 1,764 is 42 squared. Let's do example 3. Might as well go for a 3-digit number, right? What is 3, 2, 1 squared? So this time it's going to have a 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 pattern. So let me write that first. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 pattern. We have to find the duplex of just 3, right? One last time I'll write it like this. Duplex of 3, duplex of 32, duplex of 3, 2, 1, duplex of 21, and the duplex of just 1. Okay, let's cross it out, let's separate them. So, duplex of a 1-digit number is its square. Duplex of a 2-digit number is twice the product of the numbers, so 3 times 2 times 2, 6 times 2 is 12. Duplex of a 3-digit number, remember the strategy? this times 2 plus this squared. So 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 squared is 6 plus 4, so I get 10. Duplex of a 2-digit number is twice the product. You multiply the two numbers, then you double it. So 2 times 1 times 2 is 4. And duplex of a 1-digit number is its square. 1 times 1 is 1. So let's follow the rules. Keep the units digit, carry the tens digit. I'm going to keep in 0, carry the 1. 12 plus 1 is 13, so I write down 3, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so 321 squared is 103,041. Okay, we're going to move on. So we've done a 1-digit, a 2-digit square. We're going to work our way all the way up to a 6-digit square. Okay, so I'm going to erase this and move on. So 1, 2, 3, we're right here right now, so we have 4, 5, and 6, okay? But if you get it, I mean, you could do like a 12-digit square if you really wanted to. I mean, it's a little cumbersome, but it's all about understanding that idea of a duplex. All right, so sorry if I erased some of the instructions, but example 4. Let's find 4, 3, 2, 1 squared. So the whole point of this is to do this efficiently and quickly, so you don't have to write all the duplexes, but I'm going to show this work. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's going to have that pattern right there, okay? So I'm not going to write the duplexes, I'm just going to keep track of it. What's the duplex of just 4? 4 times 4 is 16. What's the duplex of 43? Remember, you multiply the numbers and you double it. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. What's the duplex of 4, 3, 2? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 squared is 16 plus 9, so I get 25. Now, the duplex of a 4-digit number, not that hard. This times this is 4 times 1. Then I have to double it, so I get 8 plus 3 times 2 is 6. 6 doubled is 12. So I have 8 plus 12, and I get 20. You could, of course, you could do this also, guys. 5 plus 5 is 10, then you just double it, okay? So we've done 4. Now we're at the right 3 digits, 3, 2, 1. What's the duplex of 3, 2, 1? It's 3 times 1 times 2. So that's 6 plus 2 squared. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we're at the duplex of just 21. So you multiply the numbers and you double it. So 2 times 1 is 2, doubled is 4. And the duplex of just 1 times 1 is just 1. So now we do the procedure. 1, 4, 0, carry the 1. 20 plus 1 is 21, so I'm going to write down 1, carry the 2. 25 plus 2 is 27, write down 7, carry the 2. 24 plus 2 is 26, write down 6, carry the 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. So, remember, you want to go 3 from the right and put commas. 18,671,041. All right, now we're up to a 5-digit square. So, I'm going to make the numbers a little bigger now. 5, let's go the other way. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we're going to go 1. 5, 6, 7, sorry, it's 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Actually, you know what? I don't want to make it seem like this only works if we have an interesting pattern, so let me just jumble up the numbers a little bit. 7, 9, it really doesn't matter. It works all the time, okay? So let's say I have 56,794 squared. So it's going to follow the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 pattern. Let me just, I might run out of room, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start right here. What's the duplex of just 5? 5 times 5, 25. What's the duplex of 56? You multiply the numbers and you double it. 5 times 6 is 30, 30 times 2 is 60. What's the duplex of 5, 6, 7? 7 times 7 times 5 is 35. You have to double it, so you get 70. 70 plus 6 squared is 70 plus 36, so that's 106. Okay, now we move here. What's the duplex of a 4-digit number? 5 times 9 is 45. I'm going to do it this way now. I have 45 plus 42. So what's 45 plus 42? That's 87, right? 45 plus 42 is 87. Then I'm going to double that. So that's 160 plus 14. That's 174. And now we finally have all 5 of them. So this times this, 5 times 4 is 20, okay? 6 times 9 is 54. 20 plus 54 is 74. We have to double that. 74 doubled. What's 74 doubled, I'm sorry, is 148, right? Then I have to do 148 plus 49. 148 plus 49. So that's 197. Right? Then I move over here. What's the duplex of these? So let's do it this way. 24 plus 63. So again, 87. Then I have to double that. So that's again 160 plus 14. 174. Then I move to these 3. So 7 times 4, 28, doubled 56. 56 plus 81. So let's do this. Let's do 81 plus 50, 131. 131 plus 6, 137. And then I have 2. 9 times 4 times 2, 36 times 2, 72. And then finally I just have 4 times 4 is 16. So keep the units digit, carry the ones digit. 6, carry over 1, I get 3. Carry over 7, I get 144. So I get 4, carry the 14. 174 plus 14 is 188. So I write down 8, carry the 18. What's 197 plus 18? That's 215. So I write down 5, carry the 21. What's 174 plus 21? That's 195. So I write down 5, carry the 19. What's 106 plus 19? It's 125. So I write down 5, carry the 12. What's 160 plus 12? I'm sorry, what's 60 plus 12? That's 72. So I write down 2, carry the 7. 25 plus 7 is 32. So obviously this took some time. 2, 3. But obviously you have an extraordinarily large number, relatively speaking. Okay? So 3,225,558,436. Okay? So it gets a little tedious obviously when you have large squares, but this method is really good, okay? Good job, keep practicing.